Okay, let's try something legendary. Generate an image of Abraham Lincoln, ultra-realistic, HD.
No way! No way!
You summoned me, young man?
You're alive?
Something like that. And since you brought me here, you deserve to know how you did it. Come with me.
Okay, this is insane. Where are we?
This is the inside of the AI model that created me.
First thing you should know, every AI image starts like this.
So the AI starts from static?
Seriously? Exactly, pure randomness. The AI doesn't start with a picture, it starts with chaos.
What's happening to my text?
The AI doesn't understand English the way you do, so it converts your words into numbers, a kind of mathematical meaning.
Justice. So text is your numbers?
Exactly. This process is called diffusion. The AI removes noise little by little, like cleaning dust off a window.
During training, the AI studied millions of images. It didn't memorize them. It learned patterns, shapes of faces, lighting, styles.
So you're not just a copy of a real photo?
No, I'm brand new, built from everything the AI learned about what Abraham Lincoln should look like.
These work together. Your words, numbers, noise, shapes, final image.
Okay, that's actually insane.
It is time for me to go.
But where are you going?
That is for you to find out.
If you ever wondered how AI turns text into a picture, that's the real science behind it. And trust me, we're just getting started.
If you want to explore more about how AI imagines the world, stick around. TechFix AI is just getting started.